Why most small YouTubers don't grow and how to fix it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tendai. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly why most small YouTubers, people just starting joining the YouTube, why they struggle to grow and what you can do to avoid falling into the same trap if you're just starting your videos or your journey, YouTube journey, or any social media at that, okay? You might think it's the algorithm or bad luck. I've heard that. Oh, it's my luck. Oh, it's my luck. No, it's not, darling. Or that it's just too saturated now. Too many people doing the same thing. No. But the truth is, most channels don't grow because of a few simple fixable mistakes. Once you fix them, everything will just start to fall in place. Everything will start to change. Don't give up yet, okay? I'm here to tell you that. Do not give up yet. Let's get right into it. You ready? Okay, let's go. The first reason most small creators don't grow is inconsistency. That's it, inconsistency. Not just in how often they post, but in what they post about. You can be posting every day different things. You're not sticking to what you post often, okay? You need to post often and keep at it. But in what they post about as well is much, much, much important. 1 week they upload a vlog. Next week it's a reaction video. The next week it's a tutorial. Then a short experiment. You start posting shorts. The algorithm doesn't know what the channel is about. Simple. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but they don't know. The algorithm doesn't know. And neither do the viewers. Even me, I'm just bumping into your channel. I don't know. So if your content isn't focused, YouTube can't recommend it reliably. Starting today, go and focus on a niche. Narrow it down and focus on that. You have to pick one lane, one niche. At least in the beginning, that doesn't mean you're stuck forever. But until you build some momentum, your channel should have a clear theme. Okay? Something people can expect, something YouTube can understand. When your videos are related, viewers are more likely to binge on them. And binge watching is what the algorithm love most. Yeah. Second, a lot of small YouTubers don't pay enough attention to packaging, your packaging. That means thumbnails, the thumbnails that you're putting on your videos, and titles. You could have the best video in the whole wide world, but if the thumbnail is dull and the title is vague, no one will click, and no one clicks. The algorithm never gives it a chance. And if no one clicks, the algorithm never gives it a chance. This isn't optional, okay? It's a must. The packaging is 50% of success. So already, if your packaging is not okay, what else are you left with? A tiny little fraction left. You need to learn what grabs attention. Study what's working in your niche. Break it down. Yeah, break it down and adapt it. Thirdly, most creators don't optimize their hook. The first 15 seconds, I always say it, it's like a song now on this channel. First 15 seconds, that's where people decide to stay or leave. They will stay or vamoose. Yeah. If you waste time talking about yourself, hi, my name is, like your names and stuff, people know who you are from the channel. They know the channel name. Okay? Recapping old content or slowly easing into the topic, you already lost the viewer. Okay? You need to get straight into the value, depth. Make it clear what they are going to get in the video and make them want to stay. Give them a reason. The best videos feel like they start mid-thought, mid-action, right where the energy is. Give them what they want to hear. Don't keep them waiting then longer until the end you give them. They might not even get to the end of the video. So deliver the message early. Another big issue is poor retention, right? If when people click, they don't stay, the pacing is slow, the visuals are flat and boring, there is no structure or story. If you can't hold attention, YouTube notices it. Yes, and it stops recommending your content. You need to learn how to create flow, keep the energy up, use visuals to keep things moving forward. Every few seconds, something should change or develop. Okay, yeah. Next, small YouTubers often rely too much on hoping for the best and not enough data. Algorithm doesn't work with hope, doesn't work with your faith or your religion. It works with data. People upload, content creators upload, cross their fingers that it will work, and they wait. But they never look at analytics. YouTube Studio, that's your home. You should be in there as a creator. Your retention graph tells you where people leave. At what point do they leave? Do they come out and stop watching? Your click through rate, I did that in the video up here. Click that if you when you finish this one and watch. So your CTR, your titles, your thumbnails, they're working. Your traffic sources tell you if algorithm is even showing your video to people. This is not guesswork. Use the tools, study the patterns. So make YouTube Studio your best friend. If you don't have YouTube Studio app, ensure to download. If you don't have any space, delete what is not necessary and download that app. Another reason channels don't grow is lack of consistency in uploading. You don't have to post every day, but you do need a rhythm. Once a week, twice a week, whatever you can manage according to your life, what's happening in your life, kids, work, school, everything, family, yeah? Stick to it. Whatever you choose, stick to it. When you disappear for a long stretch, your audience forgets you. They forget who you are and what you're on about. So that's the algorithm as well. Algorithm tend to forget. Posting consistently signals that you're serious, and it gives YouTube more chance to test your videos and push them further. That's exactly what you're looking for, isn't it? I am as well. Also, many creators give up too soon. This is the reality. They will post 5 or 10 videos. They don't see results and they quit. Boom, they're gone. God knows to where. But most channels don't take off until video 30, 50, or even 100, right? Do 500 videos and tell me you're not going to grow. Growth is not linear. It's slow, 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 then suddenly fast. Okay? The first 20 videos are not about going viral. They are about learning. You are improving your editing. You're testing your topics, the topics that are trending, finding your voice and finding confidence being on here. But if you quit early, you never get to the payoff. You haven't given yourself a chance. Let's talk about the value in your videos. Don't offer value. Okay? If your videos don't offer value, they don't grow. And value doesn't mean fancy editing or perfect cameras and lenses, expensive lenses. No. Value means solving a problem. If I'm coming every day with a video that is solving a problem, I'm teaching something that someone is going to learn, something is useful to them, telling a good story or entertaining someone in clear way. Ask yourself, why would someone watch this all the way through from start to finish? If you can't answer that, then go back and rebuild it. Go back to the basics and change what you're not doing right. Many small creators also ignore community building. Okay, they treat YouTube like a broadcast, like a TV, basically, not a conversation. This is a conversation you're building a trust with people, okay, that will keep coming on and on, back and forth. But the fastest growing creators talk to their audience. They respond to comments, they ask questions, they build a connection, and the algorithm sees that engagement. Yeah. The more comments, the more likes and replies to your video, what a video gets or your video gets, the more YouTube sees it as worth recommending. They notice that something is happening on this video. Oh, let's push it, and they push. Okay. Another issue is trying to copy too many different creators at once. Underline that, at once. You can copy how they're doing things and do it your own way, but don't copy too many different people. It's good to study what works. Do your research. But if you mix too many styles, your videos feel confused. Find a few creators in your niche, a few who are a few steps ahead of you. Okay. Study how they hook the viewer. Study how they title their videos. Don't copy, but model what works. Learn from success. Yeah. Some creators also, they underestimate the power of shorts, short videos. Short videos are discoverability tools. They find people for you, and long form makes people stay. Shorts make people find you and subscribe, but if you don't give them long form, they're going to go. So shorts are discoverability tools. They don't always build deep connection. They get you seen. If you're struggling to get action, make shorts around your main topic. Make shorts. Use them to drive traffic, like I said, to your long form content. Don't just focus on shorts only. They're just to bring people to the channel, but for them to stay, they need long form. It works. Just make sure your shorts hook immediately. No filler, okay? No intro. Just the action. Don't put that intro, long, boring and intros in that. No, in shorts. Finally, the biggest reason small YouTubers don't grow is they treat it like a hobby. This YouTube is the hobby to them. It's not a craft. To me, it's art. YouTube rewards skills. Yeah, they reward skills. And skill comes from practice, patience, and honest feedback. If every video is an experiment and every upload is a lesson, you will grow, not overnight, but steadily. Yeah. So why aren't you growing yet? Probably because of one or more of these reasons. But the good news is every one of them is fixable. Focus on your niche, right? Improve your packaging, hook fast, first 15 seconds of the video. Watch your retention and come back and tell me, okay, if it doesn't work. Also, post consistently. Use your analytics. YouTube Studio. Use your analytics very well. Build community and trust and relationship with viewers. Like, feel that can feel involved. Test shots. Treat it like a craft. And don't quit too early. Don't post 20, 30, 40 videos and leave. Post about 100 and you come and tell me if none of those 100 videos will do well. If you do that, you will grow. Trust me. Thanks for watching. Check out my next video right here, okay, on how to structure your content to get more views and longer session. See you there.